Hello and welcome to my Inner God channel. My name is Mathilde and it is my honor to accompany you in this journey of self-growth and co-creation. How to get the subconscious to work for you? A question we all ask ourselves when we want to manifest. Here is a simple and clear answer by Dr. Joseph Murphy. The first thing to realize is that your subconscious mind is always working. It is active night and day, whether you act upon it or not. Your subconscious is the builder of your body, but you cannot consciously perceive or hear that inner silent process. Your business is with your conscious mind, and not your subconscious mind. Your part is to keep the conscious mind busy with the expectation of the best, and to make sure that the thoughts you habitually think are positive, are constructive, are based on whatsoever things are lovely, true, just, and of good report. Begin now to take care of your conscious mind, knowing in your heart and soul that your subconscious mind is always expressing, reproducing, and manifesting according to your habitual thinking and beliefs. Life is like a boomerang, it reflects back to you what you believe deep within your subconscious. Remember, just as water takes the shape of the pipe it flows through, in the same manner, the life principle in you flows through you, according to the nature of your thoughts. So, claim with sincerity the things you truly desire. Claim that the healing presence in your subconscious mind is flowing through you as harmony, health, peace, joy, and abundance. Think of it as a living intelligence, a lovely companion. Firmly believe it is continually flowing through you, vivifying, inspiring, and prospering you. Remember, it will respond exactly this way. It is done unto you as you believe. So don't doubt or worry, because you will neutralize or cancel what you are trying to do or manifest. Keep repeating, in your mind or out loud, the truths of life, until it feels good within you. Until you have a sense of calmness and inner peace. Until you feel your subconscious mind has been impressed with these truths. Believe in the power of your subconscious mind, and remember, it can only manifest according to your beliefs. If you want wealth, but have lots of limiting beliefs about wealth, or you have a poverty consciousness, it cannot manifest wealth, because it can only create what you believe. It can change reality only when you change your beliefs. Change your thoughts, and you change your destiny. When you replace harmful, negative beliefs by positive ones, your life and experiences will reflect positivity. So, start today to affirm with conviction the divine truth that you deserve good health, wealth, peace, love, and that you know and accept that your subconscious mind can only manifest according to what you accept as true. Begin right now to change your thoughts and beliefs. Use autosuggestion or an affirmation like this or a similar one. I now manifest health, wealth, happiness, through the infinite intelligence in my subconscious mind. I accept it in my mind. I know that it is the law of life, it is done unto you, as you believe. And I turn it over to my subconscious mind, that makes it happen. Through me and for me. Have faith and believe in what you are affirming. Go about your day, and don't contradict or undo, in thoughts, words, or actions, what you are affirming. I send you lots of positive energy to manifest easily, and to create the life you divinely deserve. Have the best life. Be blessed.